guys, if you want to see how I achieved this look while on vacation in Puerto Rico, please stay tuned to the video. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a makeup look in PR, you guys. And if you don't know what PR is, that is Puerto Rico. Right now I'm actually on vacation in San Juan, Puerto Rico, and I had decided to do a makeup look, you guys. Usually I do not do voiceovers on my makeup, but I was so excited about this makeup look, you guys. So right now, you guys, I am just pretty much just putting my, my base color on. And I think, I'm not even sure what palette I'm using, but I'll put everything down in the description bar of what palette I'm using. And right now, I am using my, putting this on top of my base color inside my crease. And this is like a little brown color that I am using. But yeah, you guys, so right now, you guys, I am cutting my crease. I love doing makeups that I cut my crease. Most of my makeups looks that I do, I'm usually cutting my crease, but I enjoy cutting my crease. A lot of people don't like to do makeup looks that they're cutting their crease because they feel like cutting your crease is just too hard, but I don't have a problem with it, me personally. But yeah, you guys, so I am in Puerto Rico doing my makeup, and I'm actually in the bathroom doing my makeup. I wanted to do my makeup look out on the balcony so you guys can get a view of the ocean, but you guys, it was just too daggone hot out there, and I tried to do it and I felt like my makeup was just going to completely melt off, so I decided to do it in the bathroom. So right now, guys, the next palette I'm using is the Crown Case palette, and as you guys know, I love the Crown Case. I love the owner who of the Crown Case. As you guys know, she is from New Orleans. She is from my hometown, so I definitely support all my hometown people, and also I try to support a lot of black owned businesses. So right now, guys, in my crease, I am putting in some white makeup, and then after you got on top of that, I'm putting black in there. And yeah, you guys, so back to the trip. So I am, as I stated, I'm in Puerto Rico. Me and my husband decided to take a trip to Puerto Rico just because the trip was not that expensive, because you know, with the whole COVID thing going on, a lot of the flights and hotels are pretty much giving you a discount. Literally, you get these trips for hardly nothing. So we decided to take this trip because on top of it, when you go to Puerto Rico, you don't need a passport, which I don't have right now, but I will be having it soon. But you don't need a passport to go to Puerto Rico, so that was a plus for me to hurry up and book it. And if a lot of you guys don't know, Puerto Rico is part of the United States. But yeah, so we went to Puerto Rico. It only took like 3.5 hours on the flight. We flew out through JetBlue, which was amazing. Never flew through JetBlue. Only flight that I ever flew through was Southwest, and I love Southwest because, again, they give you free bags. Everywhere else you gotta pay for your bags. But that's the only thing I must say that I did not like about JetBlue, because we paid $35 each way for each bag. So we paid $140 for each of our bags, both going both ways. But anyway, overall, JetBlue flights were beautiful. They were big. Like, the space on the plane is amazing. Like, you get so much space on the plane. Then on top of it, they give you have TVs. Okay, as you can see, I'm drinking, you guys. Yes, what a vacation without liquor. Like, seriously, I probably was drunk every day on this trip, you guys. And I'm not really a drinker, but when I'm out having fun, I drink, you guys, and I drink to the point where I am drunk. But anyway, but yeah, so we enjoyed flying through JetBlue. It was really nice. And when we got to the hotel, you guys, it was so beautiful. So we stayed at the Vanderbilt Hotel in San Juan, Puerto Rico. Now, you guys, this hotel, I'm telling you, was amazing. The service was amazing. Like, we found out that the Vanderbilt Hotel was a beach house for the Vanderbilts. I don't exactly know who they are, but if that was their beach house, baby, then yeah. But when we arrived to the hotel, first of all, they picked us up in this luxury car at the airport. And when they picked us up and we went to the hotel, the staff was so nice. They came out with complimentary champagne. So as soon as we get there to check in, you know, they giving you champagne and you drinking immediately when you get to the hotel. And afterwards, they, you know, gave us our room key. The bellboy, he took us all the way up. He took our bags out. He showed us all around the room. When we got there, the room was beautiful. And by the way, you guys, I will upload a tour of our hotel. I'll try to upload that video soon. But when I was out on this trip, I did take a few videos, but I tried not to walk around with my camera so much, because I don't have like a small like vlogging camera or anything like that. My camera is super duper huge because I don't really do vlogs that much. I usually, when I record in my own space. But yeah, you guys, I know this is supposed to be a makeup look and I'm just kind of talking about the trip and I'm not really talking about the makeup. But you guys, you know, you could just watch the look. This, you know, it's about the trip, okay? So yeah, you guys, so right now I'm just kind of like, you know, finishing up on my makeup. I am putting my foundation on, and I do use the Juvia's Place palette, foundation, concealer, and setting powder. I love the Juvia's Place palette complete set. I also have some of their eyeshadow palettes. Love it. Again, this is a black owned company. Again, I try to support a lot of black owned companies and or small companies, small businesses, if I could. But yes, I have been using the Juvia's Place palette foundation for a while. But before I used them, I did use the Rihanna Fenty foundation, and I love her stuff too. I just like Juvia's Place palette foundation a little better because the foundation is a little more thicker and it gives you that full coverage, where the Fenty Beauty is not. I mean, it does give you full coverage, but I just feel like the Juvia's Place palette is just better for me. Now, for the setting powder, I do like Juvia's Place palette setting powder, but I think I like the Fenty Beauty better. It's just my opinion. Just the shade of it, I like the Juvia's Place palette better. And as you guys can see, I am using a Fenty Beauty stick for my contouring. I do like the Fenty Beauty better because Juvia's Place, every time I try to get a darker stick, somehow I just feel like it's not dark enough to do my contour. I don't know if I'm getting the wrong color or not, but I just stick with what I know, and I like the Fenty Beauty contouring stick better. But yeah, you guys, so right now I'm just pretty much contouring. I always contour, but I'm just doing that right now. But you guys, you would not believe that I didn't start doing makeup until about, I want to say about 2.5 3 years ago. It was around the time that I lost my son, and I want to say a year after I lost him I started doing makeup. So I've been doing it for like 2 years now, and I did it as a coping mechanism. I can't even pronounce it, but whatever. I started doing it because of that. It just kind of took my mind off of things, and it just helped me, just kind of helped me just take my mind off of things. And yeah, so that's why I started doing makeup. But before this, you guys, I truly hated makeup. I would not spend a dime on makeup, and I used to actually clown people who wear makeup, because I was like, oh, I don't wear makeup, I'm all natural, I'm natural beauty. It was crazy. But right now, guys, for my blush, I'm using the Beauty Glade palette. And if you guys don't know, this palette is super duper cheap. I got it off of Amazon. This was like one of the first palettes I ever got. And for my highlight, I am using the Crown Case, what was the name of it, Glowcaine, I think it is Glowcaine. And yeah, I have a lot of the Crown Case product. I think I have, yeah, most of the products that's on the Crown Case line. I have most of the products, so I'm using that for my highlight. And I love this highlight. I love all the Crown Case highlights. I think I have all of them. I love all the highlights. But yeah, back to what I was saying, you guys. So I didn't really do makeup like that. My thing was hair. I went to hair school. I did hair. I was a braider. I braided hair for like 11 to 14 years. I think it was like 14 years. And I had stopped braiding hair because I started having like carpal tunnel in my hand. So I mean, I could still braid hair, but I don't braid other people's hair. I just braid me and my daughter hair. But yeah, you guys, so makeup was not my thing in the beginning, which I'm trying to say. But yeah, you guys, so right now I am finishing up this look. Once I'm done with my highlight, I am going to put my lipstick on, and I decided to go with like a darker lip, because with the whole black eyes and stuff. So I decided to go with a darker lip, which is black. And I just feel like darker lip looks so good on me, because I have like these really full lips, real big lips. And believe it or not, guys, when I was little, I used to hate my lips because my lips was so big. And I used to get teased a lot for my lips. And it's crazy now. People are actually paying to get the lips that I have now. But back then, you guys, I was so skinny. My face was so skinny, and my lips used to be so big. But yeah, you guys, I am pretty much finishing up this look. And yeah, that's it, you guys. Here is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this and enjoyed this talk through. And yeah, definitely subscribe to my channel, you guys. I'll see you in my next video.